Hello guys, my name is Samyak and I'm back here again with another video on Java programming, and this is my second video on Java programming. Last episode I tell you about something on system.out.println. That's a print command for Java. That's a basic program. Now I'm going to tell you another basic program. This time I am using Code Chef, the online IDE for Java, and then I will tell you the program something, the basic thing. Let me start with it. I have four system print commands. I wrote this all in the IDE, and each will print S, 9, G, and 88. Let's see it once. Okay. So submission is great, and so our output is S, 9, G, 88. Okay. Now the first thing which I'm going to tell you is comment. Yes, it's comment, and okay, comment. So if I want to make a comment, so many of you have made QBasic or Quick Basic, it's said. So in that thing there is said to be remark. You've heard that remark. The same thing for Java is called comment, and for that in QBasic you have to use rem, while here you have to use 2/ like this. When you will use 2/, the line which it will turn in gray color, you can see it, and by this comment the computer will ignore that line. That means that computer will not see it properly. Yeah, that means that if you will put 2/, this this line will not run, the compiler will not run it. So let's see. Now I made 2/ here before the line which will be used to print S. Now let's see it will print S or not. So let's compile it. So the compiler is not working, I think. So yeah, that's compiling. You can see here, and that's the output, 9G and 88. That means this line was ignored by the computer. So that's the first comment type. And second comment type is documentation comment. So let's see what's documentation comment. Before that, the another comment type. So you can use this 2/ for only one line. But if you want to make this 2/ for more than one line, then you need to use another comment type that is something like that. You need to make a /, then you need to make a star. Okay, then till the line you want to make it off. If I want the computer to ignore this 2 line, then I will put another star here, and then I will put another / here. Okay, now only this 2 line will be ignored. Okay, only this 2 line will be ignored. It means the computer will not see to this line, and this line will not be compiled. So let's see. So see, its output is G and 88. Because these two lines were not commented. So, but these two were commented, so it was ignored. The third comment type is documentation comment. Sometimes video makers like me want that the line should be commented, but it should be in color. Because if you comment it normally, it will be in gray color. But I don't want. I want that it should be in its original color. So for that, we are going to see this one. We'll just make a star first, and then I'm going to put this /. So that what will happen, that this will be commented, this 2 line will be commented, but the color in the programming language will not be changed. It's useful for many of our YouTubers like me. So let's start. Run it. Running. So completion error. So that was the other thing. Okay, then I'm going to run this one. I'm going to run this one. And then you can see that it's taking a long time to run. The IDE is hanging. What the fuck it happened here? Why the IDE is hanging? Why is it not? So you can see, yeah, here. So it's something like that. SN9 is printed, while all other which I commented is gone, ignored. So that's the thing. Now let's take another program here. This was the comment part. I'm going to show you another things other than comment. So now I'm going to show you how to specify a data type, how to specify a variable in a data type. So Java offers many of the data types, not only single but many data types. So let's see one data type that is a common data type, that is int. Int specifies integer. Okay, it specifies integer. Int means integer in Java. Then it's float. The float specifies the decimal numbers, i.e. I mean to say that decimal numbers which like this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we have to put an F here. That means that a decimal number in which the right side part is still 6 only, not more than 6 digit is allowed. I told digit, not the numbers. That this does not mean that you cannot use 7, 8 or 9, 10 or anything. This means that digit more than 6 cannot be used. So that's why only I used 6x and 1, and it's compulsory to put an F after the decimal number. So this was a float for 6 digit decimal number. And then another thing is double. So double is for 16 digits. After the decimal you can add 16 digit for using double. Minimum is 1 and maximum is 16 after using a decimal. So example is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, etc, etc. So there is a thing, you can use double to put 16 digit after x, and it's not compulsory to put anything after the completion of decimal. However, you can put D, but it's not compulsory. So that's the thing. And then these are the major 3 types of data types which Java offers. Well, there are many other data types which I'm going to tell you in other videos. So let's see how to specify a data type. So first of all, you need to think of a variable. You can take the variable as x, y, u, anything. So I'm going to take it a, int and a. And the other thing, you need to put a semicolon after every valid Java statement. So I specified here a variable int with a data type int. So how I'm going to use that is much important. So let's see. let's give the variable a value, because if I'm going to tell you how to make it without giving a value right now while writing the program. But since this is second video, it's a basic part, I'm going to just give a value to this variable. So let's give the value 90 here. Okay, then I'm going to move down, and then I'm going to write system dot out dot print ln, and then I'm going to go to semicolon to this one, and then I'm going to write a. Sorry, not like this. I'm going to write a here, because if you put it in double quotes, if you're keeping it in double quotes, the thing which will happen is, let me move this one for some time so that I can show you. So I'm using comment here, like 2 slashes. The computer will ignore it right now. I'm going to print it right now. Okay, see what will happen. Okay, there a semicolon is required. Run. So the IDE is not working. What happened? Status: judge has some issue. What does this mean? That judge has some issue. Okay, let me. So guys, I'm back. That there was a problem in my internet. So let's see. I'm going to run this one again without an internet problem. So output is A. Okay, you can see when I kept double quotes, the output is A. Well, when I'm going to remove this slashes like this, so that it's not a comment, and I'm going to then remove this one also, the double quotes, and then I'm going to compile it. So what will happen? Let's see in the output. This IDE is very slow. And from next time I'm not going to use code chef. So it's running right now, it's working. I think there is server issue. Okay, see, the output is now 90 because I specified the value of A to be 90. And then I printed A and not single quote, double quotes A, because if I'm going to print this one, the output would be small a, but if I'm going to print without this double quotes, the output will definitely be 90. So that's the thing. Now I'm going to move it to next part. So here I'm going to use some formulas. So let's replace this A with L. We can use capital or small letter both for like a variable, and this with a comma. Then I'm going to use another thing, that is B equals to anything like 30, and let's change it to 40. So now L is 40 and B is 30. Now I'm going to print two things with this one. That will be area and perimeter. So for that we are required to specify another two variables that are namely for area as well as perimeter. So let's specify int area. Okay, So that's specified. Then another thing, int peri. So I'm not going to write perimeter, but I'm going to write peri, a short form. Okay. So always put semicolons or it will be a wrong program. So int area. Now I'm going to give value for this also. So let's make the value of area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle will be L. As always, is chart for multiplication and B. No spaces are allowed. L into B, and then as a valid, being a valid Java program, put a semicolon. Let's specify value for peri. Now peri will be 2 into L plus B. Okay, this is thing. Now another thing, that will be system that out.println, and here I'm going to write area equals to plus area. So this time, now I'm going to write another statement, that is system.out.println. Another time, this now I'm going to write full perimeter so that the customer will understand perimeter. Then I'm going to add plus here. And then I'm going to write plus here. And then again another thing, that will be peri, which I specified here, the value of peri to be this one. Now it's a complete Java statement. I'm going to run it and let's see what will happen. So let's see. So the computer calculated for me area is 1200 and perimeter is 140. So guys, today I taught you how to write a comment and documented comment, first type of comment, second type of comment for more than one lines, and then I specified how to use variables and how to specify data types for that variables. I'm going to publish videos regularly right now because my exams are completely over. So thank you for watching this video, and please comment, because today is 3rd November and today only in India Thor Ragnarok released. So please comment, do you like that movie or not, in the comment box given below. And then thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.